to recharge your drained battery phone. Hold this, hold. Come here. Here's the charger. Put it, insert at the bottom of your phone, insert the charger. Insert the charger. Okay, put it down. Let it rest. Okay. Wait for how many minutes? Let the phone recharge. Okay. Hey, insert correctly. Insert the phone. Insert. You did not insert that correctly. Alright, done. Is it charging? Look at the phone. Is it charging?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let us see. Okay, the phone is charging now. You need to wait how many hours? You need to wait. Let it rest. Okay, go to Papa. Go to Papa.
Wait for it charge.
You are going to wait the phone while it's charging? You're going to wait?
Yeah.
Okay. Look, it's charging. Is it charging? Okay, the phone is charging. Alright, you need to wait. Are you going to wait the phone or...
This dog scratched me.
What?
This dog scratched me.
The dog bite you? What?
In the tongue. Ma.
In the tongue?
Yeah, like this.
Ah, okay, the dog lick you like this. The dog lick. Gitilaan ka?
Yeah.
Where? In the legs? In the feet? In the hands? Where?
And it scratched me like this.
Scratch?
Yeah.
Scratch or like that? Lick?
Scratch, click.
Scratch and lick?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it charging? Oh, the phone is charging. Are you going to wait? Hey, are you going to wait?
Yeah.
Are you going to lie there while waiting? Okay. Your phone is charging now. Okay. Why did you unplug? Is it fully charged now?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Actually.
It's only 12%.
What?
Just recharge the phone and you can wait for more minute. Charge the phone, recharge. I-recharge sa ko. Unyara na kay gamay pa. Tulog sa i-charge sana ko. I-charge sana kay gamay pa kay battery. Dali na kay na malubat. Recharge balik recharge. Hulat lang tulog sa i-charge sana ko. Gamay pa kay battery. I-charge.
Why?
Charge the phone. Charge the phone. Is it charging? Okay. Let it rest. Put it down. Then sleep while you wait. Sleep sa. Wala ta sa mapuno. Tulog sa Okay. Is it... Charge pa. Lie down muna. Wala sa... Ha? Okay? Lie down. Sleep. Saya is crying.
Shut up, Saya.
Silence.
Shut up, Saya.
Silence. Say the word silence, not shut up. Okay? Alright.
Shut up, Saya.
Okay, wait there. Sleep while the phone is charging. Narinig ko ni mapuno. Charge ni. Wala di mo on. Okay, nag-charge yung cellphone.